A common problem with home sewing machines is: wind the thread onto the bobbin, stop the needle from moving up and down, and just turn the hand wheel. Unable to loosen the stop motion wheel. Moving the needle bar up and down. The problem of not being able to tighten the stop motion wheel. Sometimes, when sewing, the hand wheel turns, but the machine does not. The cause of this problem is that the stop motion washer is not installed on the correct side. Look closely at the shape of the stop motion washer. On the inside of the stop motion washer, you can see two inward protrusion bent to one side. Those two inward protrusion are what hold the main shaft bush in place. You can see three outside protrusion on the outside of the stop motion washer. Those three outside protrusion are what hold the hand wheel in place. These outside and inside protrusions, if they are not pointed in the right direction, unable to loosen the stop motion wheel. Moving the needle bar up and down can be lost. If you can't tighten the stop motion wheel tight. The above things can happen if the stop motion washer is not mounted in the right direction. I will now tell you how to properly solve that problem. A stop motion washer can be installed in 4 ways. The two inner protrusions are bent outwards and the two outer protrusions are facing upwards. With the two inner protrusions bent inward and the two outer protrusions facing upwards. The two inner protrusions are bent outwards and the one outer protrusion is on the top. The two inner protrusions are bent inward and the one outer protrusion is facing upwards. In my experience, most sewing machines work fine. When the two protrusions on the inside of the stop motion washer are bent outwards, only one of the protrusions on the outside is positioned upwards. Perhaps in my experience, in most cases, the method that works best is the two inner protrusions are bent outwards and the one outer protrusion is on the top. Maybe the method I mentioned above doesn't work for your machine. Try the other 3 methods I mentioned. Surely, one of those 4 methods can solve your sewing problem. Only in one of those 4 ways. Stop motion wheels can be tightened and loosened. The side on which the stop motion wheel should be mounted varies on different machines. The stop motion washer is installed in all 4 of those methods. Choose the method that suits your machine. After you have installed the stop motion washer on the correct side, you can loosen the hand wheel to wind the bobbin and, once the thread is wrapped, you can tighten the hand wheel. The hand wheel won't loosen while you're sewing. The stop motion washer was installed on the correct side. The stop motion wheel is installed. Stop motion screws installed. You did the job right. When you hold the hand wheel with your left hand and turn the stop motion wheel with your right hand, the hand wheel should tighten and loosen. Subscribe to the channel to find answers to your sewing machine problems, leave a comment about your problem, and share the video for others who need help like you.